Hello everyone, I am Joanna Marie Kapokyan from BSBA HRM 3B. Today we are moving to a very critical part of HR project management, Chapter 6, Cost and Budget Management. Sa HR po, hindi lang tayo basta-basta nag-handle ng tao. We also manage resources. Sabi nga nila, no budget, no project. Pero hindi sapat na may pera tayo. Kailangan nating malaman kung paano ito i-manage ng tama para hindi tayo ma-over budget. And in this chapter, I will explain the difference between cost and budget, the basis of management, and how to estimate accurately. Let's dive into the numbers. Question number 1. What is the difference between cost management and budget management? Question number 4. Compare at least two cost estimation techniques. Paano ba tayo nag-estimate? I'll compare two methods. Ang una ay analogous estimating o ang history method. Gagamitin natin ang data mula sa past projects at mabilis ito para question number 4. Compare at least two cost estimation techniques. Paano ba tayo nag-estimate? I'll compare two methods. Ang una ay analogous estimating o ang history method. Gagamitin natin ang data mula sa past projects. Mabilis ito pero hindi laging accurate dahil walang dalawang projects na magkatulad. Ang pangalawa ay parametric estimating o ang MAT method. Ay accuracy ito dahil gagamit tayo ng formula, cost per unit times quantity. Halimbawa, 500 pesos for manual times 100 copies. Simply put, analogous is a top-down, guess based on memory, while parametric is a bottom-up calculation based on hard facts. And the last question, what are the common challenges in budgeting and how can they be managed? Hindi nawawala ang challenges sa budgeting. Common problems include unclear scope, inaccurate estimates, at ang sikat na scope creep. Para ma-address po ito, we need to secure assigned agreements sa objectives ng project. Para sa maling estimates, laging tumingin sa historical records o lumang resibo. At para sa scope creep, kailangan may contingency fund, isang maliit na percentage ng budget na nakatabi para sa emergencies. At higit sa lahat, regular monitoring and reporting para walang financial surprises sa huli. In conclusion, managing costs and budgets in HR is not just about counting pesos. It's about ensuring the sustainability and success of our people-oriented projects. At kapag maayos ang ating financial management, mas nagiging effective tayo bilang mga HR leaders. That's all for Chapter 6. I am Joanna Marie Kapakyan. Thank you for listening and see you in the next chapter.